This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to hide Reels on Instagram. This is a simple process to manage your profile's appearance, ensuring only the content you want is prominently displayed on your main grid. We will cover how to remove existing Reels and prevent new ones from appearing there. This helps keep your profile organized and tailored to your preferences, giving you full control over your content presentation. To hide an existing Reel from your main profile grid, first, go to your profile and find the Reel you want to adjust. Tap on the Reel to open it, then look for the three dots icon, usually located in the bottom right corner. Tapping these three dots will open a menu. From this menu, simply select the option that says Remove from Profile Grid to complete the action. When you are creating a new Reel and are about to post it, you have the opportunity to prevent it from appearing on your main profile grid from the start. On the final sharing screen, before you tap Share, look for an option labeled Share to Feed. By default, this is usually turned on. Simply toggle this option off, and your new Reel will only be visible in your dedicated Reels tab. It is important to understand that hiding a Reel from your profile grid does not delete the Reel entirely. The Reel will still be accessible and visible within your dedicated Reels tab on your profile. This action simply removes it from the main, scrollable feed of your profile. You can easily reverse this at any time by finding the Reel in your Reels tab and selecting Add to Profile Grid.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.